At number 5, we have the Toyota ATF WS transmission fluid. This is a genuine Toyota part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your automatic transmission. It's manufactured to Toyota's exact specifications, guaranteeing reliable performance, fit, and function. The 7-quart container provides enough fluid for most transmission services, compatible with various Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. Always confirm with your owner's manual. You can easily reorder using part number 0E289 ATFWS X7. What we like: a perfect OEM solution for those who want maximum compatibility and performance. Ideal if you need a larger quantity for a full service. People say, works great on my 2019 Lexus RC 350. Smooth performance on RX 350 and Highlander. Transmission runs quiet and smooth.
At number 4, we have the Idemitsu ATF TLS-LV. This advanced transmission fluid is designed to enhance your driving experience with optimized viscosity and superior fuel economy. Engineered for precise friction control, it guarantees smooth shifting and eliminates shudder. It's highly resistant to oxidation and thermal breakdown, extending fluid life and reducing maintenance frequency. It offers excellent deposit control, protecting against rust and corrosion, and provides exceptional wear protection for gears and bearings. With a flash point of 165 degrees, it ensures stability and safety under high temperatures. What we like? Exceptional fuel efficiency and long-lasting transmission protection. Its advanced additive technology ensures smooth operation and extended component life. What people say: my RAV4 still shifts like new after 122k miles. Fully synthetic and lasts longer than standard WS fluid. Shifting became incredibly smooth. Feels like a new car.
At number 3, we have the Toyota ATF WS fluid. This is the genuine Toyota Jock Lexus automatic transmission fluid, perfect for keeping your transmission running smoothly. You're getting 100% authentic Toyota fluid. The 6-quart pack provides enough for multiple services or large capacity vehicles. It's designed for universal fit, but always check your owner's manual. Regular changes are essential for optimal performance and longevity. What we like: a genuine Toyota product with guaranteed quality and compatibility. Ideal for bulk use and cost savings. People say, real OEM fluid, no issues after replacement. No leaks, no slipping, works perfectly.
At number 2, we have the Toyota ATF WS. This is Toyota's automatic transmission fluid designed for optimal performance. It meets the highest standards for quality and reliability, making it the perfect choice for your Lexus or Toyota vehicle. It ensures smooth shifting and long transmission life, maintaining peak efficiency in your automatic transmission. The convenient 4-pack provides enough fluid for multiple changes, giving you the best value for your vehicle maintenance. Customers love it. They say it's the perfect set for their Camry, works well in their Corolla, and is cheaper than the dealer. If you need a cost-effective and convenient solution, this 4-pack is a great option for superior quality and reliability.
At number 1, we have the Aisin Toyota ATF WS. This advanced automatic transmission fluid is designed for optimal performance in Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. It ensures smooth shifting with excellent flow characteristics, guaranteeing consistent performance in both hot and cold conditions. It's engineered for a smooth, shock-free shifting experience, delivering a refined and comfortable driving experience. The low fluid friction reduces power loss, resulting in better acceleration and a more responsive vehicle. Its low viscosity formula contributes to increased fuel efficiency, helping you save money at the pump. If you're looking for improved fuel economy and a seamless driving experience, this is the perfect choice. A worthwhile investment for your vehicle.